Welcome to Legal Bench 5, a channel where real courtroom cases are discussed in detail. Legal facts are carefully examined, and the process of justice is understood beyond the headlines.
I'm a Maryland grad, so we don't. That's the real U of M to me.
Go just for you, Judge. Go Terps.
There we go. Now we're talking.
But as long as you didn't say Ohio State, we're good.
No.
We can mutually dislike them.
That's it. Exactly.
But anyway.
Sure.
Okay, you understand that, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Good afternoon.
Eric Naslund, 42648, appearing on behalf of the plaintiffs.
Hi, Your Honor. My name is Kelly Reddock.
All right. And where are we on this case?
Well, I spoke to the defendant and my clients, and I believe we have a consent judgment. I was just writing it up. If she's willing to sign it, we're changing the writ date to February 15th of 26, which gives her a little bit of extra time to remain in the property. She does agree that she owes the back rent.
Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes. Your Honor.
You agree you owe it?
Yes.
All right. And the 15th, I mean, are you looking for additional time to find someplace or you're going to try to get this paid?
I'm gonna find someplace, Your Honor.
Okay. That's really what the intent here is. All right. Let me ask you this then. Is that going to be enough time for you? Because I think you, if I'm calling correctly, and maybe my memory is failing, you had a little one. You have it 8 years old?
Right. That's correct.
See, I told you I could.
Judge, you ought to get on Jeopardy with that memory.
No, Jeopardy is the
That's pretty good at our age.
Yes, indeed. All right. And so let me ask you this. And I'm not trying to upset the deal that the folks have come to. Are you going to relax? All right. It's okay. Is that going to be enough time for you or?
I hope so. I don't know. As much time as I could get is great, but I appreciate them extending it to that point because I know that's not something they have to do or you have to do.
Okay, let me ask this.
Okay.
Your little one is in school?
Yes. Your Honor.
Second?
Third grade.
Third grade. It's been a while for me with little ones. His life's going to be upset anyway, right?
Mm-hmm.
Do you have funds at all to try to do anything?
Yeah. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so what I was just wondering, I don't know if there's if she could pay a little bit of something and try to get to, I guess they have midwinter breaks or whatever. I just don't want the child's schooling interrupted if we can help it. But I don't know. Again, I'm not trying to upset the arrangement. I just, do you know when that is?
The break.
Yeah.
The calendar. It's in February.
Yeah, that's
think
what I
it's
thought.
The weekend of the 5th. Oh. I believe it's the 16th. Like the 16th through the 20th.
16th through the 20th is the break.
I believe so.
Okay, so maybe we hit this about right then. Okay. Because there's going to be a lot of adjustment there. Right?
Yeah, you're right.
The 15th is a Sunday.
And so nothing would happen. 15th is a Sunday. There's a holiday, so you can't do anything. And so the 17th is the earliest that they could act. So
we could get a writ, yeah.
Yeah. So, and then that's going to take a little bit of time, but at least if you're going that week, you'll
I can put the 17th on it because that's the first court date.
Can we do this? Can we give her to the 20th? That way she has that week clear that the child is out to do what she needs to do. And then if you need to get a writ, you can get a writ.
20th?
No, you don't have to. I mean, I just have to be available to sign it.
It's already 8 months
Pardon?
without any payment. 8 months without any,
I'm asking for 4 days.
I know. As a landlord, I, sacrifice 8 months payment.
4 days.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
And
All right. So you read that over. Do you agree with, you understand what you're signing there?
I believe so.
Do you want to take some time? I mean, I can pass it briefly and let you look it over and read it carefully. You want me to do that for you?
I believe the attorney, I believe he explained to me the document satisfactory.
Okay.
That I have until the 17th now, right? The 20th now.
20th now.
Yes.
Okay, to vacate the premises.
Vacate or pay the amount by the.
Or pay the amount by that time.
Correct.
If you pay the amount by that time, you can stay. If
Got
you
it.
don't pay the amount, you got to be out by that time.
Okay.
If I may, Your Honor, just take a second. The past due rent amount is $26,400. There's an additional $817.93, which is a water bill. So it's, as it stands, it's $27,217.93. I didn't add a filing fee or an attorney fee because the amount is such, it doesn't really make a lot of difference. And I did explain, and maybe I didn't, but there's a 3 business day right to rescind, which I put as January 21st. You could write a letter to the court and say that you wanted them to reconsider or set this aside. You would have to have a good cause, something beyond a change of mind or change of heart, just something that the court could consider within that time period. And they would look at this again in our agreement today.
Okay. I understand this then.
You understand that?
Yeah.
We're both Michigan grads. We sort of bonded in the hallway over.
University of Michigan?
Yes.
Sorry to hear that. I'm a Maryland grad, so that's the real U of M to me.
Go, just for you, Judge, go Terps.
There we go. Now we're talking.
But as long as you didn't say Ohio State, we're good.
No.
We can mutually dislike them.
That's it. Exactly.
But anyway.
Sure.
Okay, you understand that, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
But I don't know where to sign.
It's down at the bottom. There's a little box down there that say defendant.
Well, it's defendant. You're representing yourself.
Sorry.
And you don't have any other questions on this, correct?
No, Your Honor.
I will grant judgment. I will sign off on the consent judgment. And ma'am, I would just indicate to you that so that we're clear on that, you do have 3 business days to think about this. If you believe that there's some right you didn't assert, some misunderstanding, some confusion on your part, you have those 3 business days in which to file a motion before this court. That doesn't mean that I would grant it, but you have those 3 business days.
Okay.
You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you, folks.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good luck to you and the little guy.
Thank you.
All right. Take care of yourself.
I have 2 more, Your Honor.
Yes, sir. Is it Blue Heron? Yeah. Blue Heron Point versus Omar, is it Kimisoro? Soko. Yeah.
Again, Eric Naslin on behalf of the plaintiff. I did not locate a defendant earlier in the hallway.
Soko, no response. Would you like to take a default? If you would, please raise your right hand to be sworn. Do you solemnly swear affirm testimony you're about to give will be the truth, whole truth?
Yes,
Nothing
Your
but the
Honor.
truth, so help you God. Go ahead.
Yes. Let me just pull up they send me a proposed judgment. And they're indicating that there is rent to retain in the amount of $3759.54, $170 in taxable costs, for a total of $3929.54, and a writ date of Monday, January 26, 26.
All right. Judgment to the plaintiff, that is by default for possession, redemption. In the amount requested with the writ issue in 10 days.
Thank you. I'll either prepare it or have them submit it.
That's fine.
Thank
Blue Heron Point versus Crystal McKinsey.
Again, Eric Naslin for the plaintiff.
Your name?
Crystal McKinsey.
All right. And where are we on this case?
So I talked to the manager this morning and I was asking the lawyer here, I had a payment plan that I wanted to, but he was saying he would make a phone call. He didn't. I don't know if it'll be granted or not. So I don't know.
I don't have a manager here.
Got it.
Respectfully, I'd leave it to the court's discretion. If you want to set it for another hearing, I think that'll give her a little time. And
did you pay the 2,000?
No, Your Honor, I have it in my pocket right now. I had my weeks mixed up. It was actually this week. I wanted to pay the 2,000 and then 1,500 next week and then 2,000 after that. That follow.
Is that on an escrow order, Your Honor?
It was not on an escrow order. We had the initial hearing and she had indicated, that was on January 9th. And she indicated she was going to pay 2,000 by the 13th.
Yes, I did. Yes.
And so she says she has that with her now. So
I don't have the money order. I didn't have time to stop and get the money order, but I do have the money to.
I would just suggest if
David, the manager, I spoke with him before I left and he told me to bring it to Blue Heron in the morning.
oh, tomorrow morning?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
if you want to give us an adjourn date, Your Honor.
I will.
And I think that'll go a long way to
Wrapping
out
it
a
up.
deal. Yeah.
Because you were and what day were you going to try to pay the 1,500?
You talking about today?
2,000 today.
Yeah.
And then you were
23rd, I think it is.
You were going to pay 1,500.
On the 23rd.
Okay, and then
Another 2,000 on the 30th.
Oh, okay. So you're going to be,
And then
your problem is you're going to be clicking into February, but you'll have wiped out about $5,000.
Yeah. And I was gonna.
Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to adjourn this actually to the 30th. I'm going to give you 2 weeks out.
Thank you.
I believe that you're going to make those payments.
Thank you.
That it won't be as what time? So January 30th, 2026, 2 p.m.
Thank you.
That's fine. Thank you very much. Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. Have a good one. Court does call the case of Arbor House versus Trayvon Modoc.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Sidney Katz on behalf of plaintiff.
Modoc, come on up, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
All right, your name?
Kota, AJ Kota.
Where do you live?
My property is in Saline.
No, I was
I
looking
don't think
for
that's this.
Trayvon Modoc.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Modoc. That's not you? Okay. Modoc, they're not here. Mr. Katz, you want to take a default?
Yes, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand.
Oh, you want me to turn on my video? Get my laptop open. One second. Okay, sorry about that.
Oh, there you go. Raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm testimony you're about to give will be the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Go ahead, sir.
Your Honor, this is a non-payment rent possession case, second hearing. Defendant appeared last week. There's currently a balance. He did make a significant payment. There's currently a balance in total of $622 currently. At this time requesting a default judgment with a writ date of the January 26th.
Judgment to the plaintiff. By default,
Thank you, Your
for
Honor.
possession, redemption amount, and the amount requested, writ issue 10 days. Yes, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good weekend.
Thank you. You do the same. Ridgewood Ypsilanti LLC versus Alyssa Franklin.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Mark Schlesinger appearing on behalf of the plaintiff.
Alyssa Franklin? No response. Would you like to take a default, sir?
I would, Judge.
Well, I don't know why she's. She had DHS. Did your client get the $1,000 that she was going to pay on the 16th?
She did
today?
not. I will say that my client called me this morning and that he had received money. She said she heard from Miss Hawk and she was this afternoon. I will also say that Miss Hawk moved in and hasn't made a payment since she moved in, so I'm not sure if that's an empty problem.
Got it. Okay, go ahead.
Thanks, Judge. Judge, this is a plaintiff request based on defendant's failure. Based on defendant's failure to request a default judgment for possession and money. Same figures would apply for both, Judge. Rent to retain / damage, $3,068.48. Court costs $224.50. Total to retain / total damages, $3,292.98 with the writ to issue after 126/26.
Judgment to the plaintiff by default for possession and money, redemption amount, money judgment, any amount requested with the writ issue in 10 days.
Apologize, Judge. Thanks. Have a great weekend, okay?
You okay? You do the same, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Legends of Roswell versus Leonardo Zuniga.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Jackie Snyder Potter for the plaintiff.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Her name?
Leonardo Zuniga.
All right. And where are we on this?
Okay,
So-
so
Go ahead.
Go ahead, counsel.
he did make a pretty big payment. It looks like of $1,720 on the 13th. So he is down to a total of $2,759.90, including court costs.
Okay, he told me he was going to pay $26.17. What happened?
I did pay the 2617,
Is that what?
and the current cost is 2,700 for January cost.
What? He paid $1,720.
No, I'm sorry.
You're saying you paid more than that?
Yes, I paid 2,700.
When did
He's
you
saying
pay
you paid
that?
2,000. He's saying you paid 2,700.
When did he pay that?
When did you do it all at once?
Yes, it was a single check, and I deposited on Saturday.
On Saturday.
I have the 13th. That's what I have is the 1720. And that would have been Saturday.
Well, that's about $1,000 difference.
Yeah,
They were
it
talking
It
there.
is.
Big difference.
Um,
I talked to the landlord yesterday, and if I may, I got the total amount owed at this point is 1 second.
they sent you a message saying what it was?
Yes, 1 second. 2,757 with 90 cents.
2,700
57, 90 cents.
Yeah.
is what you owe.
Yes.
Is that what you come to, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Well, I guess if the bottom line works out, I guess I'm not sure.
Yes. So that's my plan is to get that paid by the 30th.
By the 30th?
Yes.
Counsel? I'll tell you what I'll do, because nobody's disputing the issue. The total amount owed, you said, counsel, is $2,057.90.
$757.90.
I agree.
Okay, and you agree with that. So I'm going to find no tribal issue after hearing. I'm going to grant a judgment for possession in that amount with the writ to issue the 30th.
Okay.
So I'm gonna extend the time and give you to the end of the month to get it paid.
Appreciate that.
All right?
Thank you so much.
All right, you take care.
Your Honor, I will still get that submitted. Do you still want me to email it to Anne even though she's out?
You might wanna send it to Ms. Hartwick.
Got it.
She'll put her email in.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
Thank you. Legends of Rose Village versus Awad, that matters dismissed on this motion with that.
Thank you, Your Honor. They did pay in full.
What'd you say?
Thank you, Your Honor. They did pay in full.
Yes. All right. Take care.